Good evening, guys. Welcome to Equity Chronicles and welcome back to another market analysis video. Today, we'll be analyzing what happened in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Nifty 500, Midcap 100, and Small Cap 100. Let's see, is there any relief or is there any fall? The chances of fall are there. Let's find out. So, let's begin with Nifty. Nifty, nothing much happened. See, the structure is still intact. Lower low, lower high is intact, and then it just fell out of this channel. It's in our previous video. We already mentioned this. It fell out of this channel, this ascending wedge pattern, whatever you can call it, and just fell. And then everybody thought that this is going to be a bottom. So we'll just mark this out. Okay, so it was giving some kind of relief. Even I thought maybe we are finding a bottom somewhere around here, and then this low is protected 1 2 3 4. Like if you are aware of William O'Neill's follow through day, it was all set for that 1 2 3 4 fourth day. And then I thought that today it might move like this, and maybe we'll get something around 1% move or something, but I was mistaken. It is clearly rejecting from this gap area. There's a gap here, so from this area it's rejecting. I'll just mark it out. From this area it's rejecting. There's a gap, and if we switch to weekly, we'll get a more idea. As of now, today's candle, it's not that great. We'll wait for tomorrow and see, or maybe till this weekend. I think Friday it's a holiday. So if it is closing like this and rejecting from here, it might not be very good. And then maybe this retest is possible, 21,945. Or and if it is closing below this low, if this low is not protected and closing below, and this probability of it's hitting Nifty hitting 21,200 and 21k is increasing. So let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty still, its structure is same, but it's just forming a base, and it's like right now trading in this base. So compared to Nifty, it is somewhat better. That's all I can say. And we will quickly move to Nifty 500. Very similar to Nifty, there's a gap here. So this gap is getting retested, and it's rejecting from there. It's back in this channel. Maybe if it is taking support and going up, that is something which we need to see. But the only thing is that this is a descending channel. So even though it is back into this channel, there is no guarantee it will move up. So even structure is intact. Nothing great to see. Structure is again lower low, lower high. No change in structure. So I am short term bullish. Sorry, short term I'm bearish. Mid cap. If you see mid caps, today's candle is on a wider side, on a wider, and just still the mid space is something which you need to be really careful. Don't just put in a lot of money, think that this is the bottom. People will be screaming this is the bottom. Nifty is going to hit the bottom. I don't know, you don't know, no one knows that whether this is the bottom. We need to just see one by one. If it is a bottom, well and good. Let it go beyond this 51,680, and then retest and form. We might miss maybe 4 to 5 rally in the index, and maybe some stocks will just skyrocket. We don't know, but it's always better to be safe and sure before jumping into a trade which we are unsure. We are actually exploring uncharted territories right now. So my suggestion is always to be on a safer side. Don't just blindly enter into a trade. Again, small cap is also same. Structure is same. It's in this channel, yeah, and this it is taking resistance as channel. So we might see something like this and something like this. I feel that we are going to see a consolidation, and slowly we'll switch back to Nifty to understand this properly. So slowly it might be inching back to this 21 or 20. I believe this is we're going to get the bottom on a very worst case scenario. I feel this is going to be the bottom, but as of now 21 200 or 2900 region. I'm keeping this as the bottom as of now. So I am basing my trade, I am assuming that we might get small relief rallies, and there is that relief rally may be a stage for another bull trap, and then everybody will get trapped and then it'll come back. So it might not be drastic fall. I don't expect huge falls. Sometimes 1 or 2 days we might get huge falls, but I am assuming or I'm assuming, and I'm basing my trades based on this assumption, that is 21 Nifty hitting 21k to 2900 or 2800. These are my assumption. So all small rallies, I'm just waiting out. I'm not sure whether this rally is going to sustain. And another thing we need to watch out is Nifty is trading well below 50 and 200 DMA. I'll be interested if it cross somewhere around this point, that is 23,900, close to 23,900. If I'm getting something like, even though I'm getting a close above 50 DMA, I'll be actively checking and actively participating. And if I am getting something close above this, maybe within another this month end or something, then I think probably we'll be somewhere around this 200 DMA, and I'm getting a close around 200 DMA in this region, and I'll be interested something like this. If I'm getting this confirmation, probably then I will scale in completely. Till that time, I am short term bearish. I'm not completely bearish. I don't think that we're going to get 15k, 12k. All those gangs are active right now. But you can't predict that. We might get, we might not get. As of now, I don't see anything that bad. This fall, this correction is not backed by any black swan event. So even the recovery, I feel it is going to take a lot of time. I feel this year market is going to give us a very good time correction. So my suggestion, learn about the market, learn about the structure, read a lot of books, and then instead of listening to influencers and fin gurus, try to decipher the market all by yourself. It's not rocket science. If you put in a little bit of effort, you can do that. If I can do that, definitely you can do that. So before winding up, let's have a quick summary. So the overall market structure, still it's forming lower lows and lower highs, and it's trading well below the key moving averages, that is 50 and 200 DMA, which indicate weakness, and it just broke down from a descending wedge, and thus for the downside risk. And right now it is retesting the channel bottom and the gap zone. Early signs of rejection, but confirmation is needed. Just we'll wait for tomorrow and wait for a weekly close. And then we need caution. Wait for a clear continuation before taking position. Don't go all in assuming the bottom is in. And more importantly, stay patient and trade wisely. So that's it, guys. We'll see you with another video. Thank you so much. Take care.